Welcome to BIMS TV. I'm Andrew Walker, and today on BIMS Bites Kids, we'll be taking a bite at some sensational cephalopods. So, what is a cephalopod? Well, it's a class of animals that includes the nautilus, the cuttlefish, the squid, and the octopus. And the word cephalopod comes from the Greek for head, foot. Just picture an octopus. Its head connects directly to its foot, or I guess its tentacles, or arms in this case. These animals can be found throughout our world's oceans and are some of the coolest marine invertebrates you'll ever find. Marine means ocean, and invertebrate means an animal doesn't have any bones in its body. Some of these awesome animals are speedsters, others are masters of disguise, and if you ask me, they're all pretty sensational. Now, let's talk cephalopod characteristics. What makes a cephalopod a cephalopod? We already talked about their heads being connected to their feet or tentacles. Well, they have arms and or tentacles. Now, there's a little bit of difference between the two. Arms will have suction cups that go all the way up, whereas tentacles only have suction cups or hooks at the ends. Not only that, but cephalopods have a siphon they can use as a water jet in order to propel themselves through the ocean. They have blue blood and not one, not two, but 3 hearts they use to pump that blood. Now, let's talk about some of the types of cephalopods. Here we have a nautilus, the only member of the cephalopod class that still maintains a full exterior shell. That shell is present when they first hatch and grows with them as they age. They use a siphon jet to move about the ocean, and they can have up to 90 arms. These colorful and color-changing animals have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. Cuttlefish have an internal shell called a cuttlebone that helps them float and gives their body shape. Cuttlefish can communicate with each other by changing the color and pattern of their skin. That's pretty neat. And now we have the squid. These speedsters squirt around using their siphons as water jets to move about the sea. They have 8 arms and 2 tentacles that they can reach out and grab their prey. Some of them would fit in the palm of your hand, while the giant squid is so large, one of its eyes is about the size of one of your dinner plates. And here's the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the octopus. These 8-armed animals are masters of disguise. A giant Pacific octopus can change the color and texture of their skin in less than half a second. Wow. There are over 800 different species spread out over the 4 families we've talked about: the nautilus, the cuttlefish, the squid, and the octopus. These incredible animals are so important to our ocean planet. They're an important link in the food chain, both as hunters and prey, and helping conserve them helps preserve the balance of our ocean, which is important for a healthy planet. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Andrew Walker from BIMS TV. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and stay curious.